YouTube, anyways, today's gonna be a graduation gift idea. So if you don't just want to just give money, so this is like something you do instead of just giving just money. So what you're gonna need is a mug of some sort or a cup of some sort from the Dollar Tree, some flowers of some sort from the Dollar Tree as well. Something, you might need something to cut them with, but you might not. You will also need some lottery tickets, the scratch offs, just whatever kind you want. Some stirrers from the dollar store as well. Some little photo booth item things that you can put in there as well. Then some dollar bills or whatever amount of money that you want to give. So first what you're going to do is you're going to take these flowers and and you also are going to need tape if I forgot to say that, and kind of situate them where you want them. You can also bend them a little bit or cut them if you have a wire cutter, or you can just kind of bend it until you get it where you want, like that, and then kind of spread them out a little bit until you get like your desired look, or you can also bend it some more if you need to. Depending on how low you want the flowers, and I like it like that. So now we're going to take the lottery tickets and we're going to go ahead and grab some tape and the stirrers, and we're going to tape, these are from the Dollar Tree as well if you want to know. The flowers and so are the mugs from the Dollar Tree, so you can get these from the Dollar Tree. Now we're just going to take the lottery ticket on the back and we're just going to tape it to this, and we're going to stick those in there. You can use more than one piece of tape, just kind of mess around with it until you get it to stick. Okay, so we're just going to add some of those to tape. We're going to do the same thing on the next one. Now we're going to add a Flamingo stir, and we're going to take this and we're just going to tape it on. This is from the Dollar Tree, and then you're just going to keep on doing that until all your lottery tickets are taped to the skewer, if you want to, or you don't have to. Okay, so then we're going to do another pineapple one, and we're going to do the same thing. Here, I'm going to move it so you can kind of see what I'm doing a little bit better, and we're going to take some tape and tape it. And we're just going to put that in there. And this works for college or high school graduation, or whatever, whatever, for high school and college graduations. Work. Just gonna do the same thing with this one until we get however many that we want in there. And then we're gonna go here. I'm gonna move this back to the center. So is this not in good focus? Why isn't it in good focus? 1 second, let's see if we can get it in better focus real quick. An autofocus. There, it's in better focus. There we go. Sorry about that. So subscribe if you made it this far. So now we're going to take the next one, which is the slaughter ticket, and we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to take a Flamingo now and tape it on the Flamingo. And now once we got all of our lottery tickets taped, and if you want them a specific way, you might want them upside down. I want to make sure, then you can kind of play around with how you want the lottery tickets. So now we're going to take the cup and play around with, maybe we want them all in the back and poking out like that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and take the money that we have, and we're just going to roll it, maybe. Roll it, and just going to roll it up. And we're just going to tape the money on there like that. On there, like so. You're just going to tape it. Or you can tape it through like this on the back. So it's not noticeable. So it kind of looks like a flower that's sticking out. Or you can probably find a YouTube tutorial how to fold flower money. I'm just going to do that with the next few dollar bills. Or you can also do this with like 5s and 10s if you want to as well. And then do the same thing with this. Just tape it on, roll it, and then tape it. You can also tape it from the back. Just kind of play around with it. And you probably don't want it to fall out like that. And then we have, oops, make sure it gets in the thing. And then we have one more dollar bill to do the same thing with. Just gonna roll it. It doesn't have to be perfect, as long as it stays. Or however many, you could even do this with hundreds or however much money you want to spend. And do this with, this as cheap or as expensive as you want. So then we're going to go over here, and these are from the Dollar Tree as well. And then we're going to add one or two of these signs in here. And I think I'm going to add one more. And see if they fall off, just grab some tape and the thing. And then you're just going to tape it together. Here, I'll show you this. See where the hot glue was on here? These are from the Dollar Tree as well. I think they're from last year's. And you're just going to tape that on there. And then you put that in there as well. I'm sorry about it not being in super good focus. Then you're just going to kind of mess around with how you want it to look. So you can kind of just mess around with it and until you get your desired look. And I think that looks good. So anyways, that's what it looks like. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully this will give you a great graduation gift idea for if you don't want to just give just cash to someone, or like if you don't want to just do a card. You can also include like a little card in there, make like a little homemade card in there. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, like, subscribe, follow. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Have a great day, and have a beautiful and wonder day as well, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and thank you. See ya. Have a great day.